Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Watchmen of Doom morph in Cool Tool Morphs 2. So you're going to teleport first to the Wasteland Map. And move your camera to the left, and you're just going to walk here, turn right, and you're kind of going to jump like that. Then you're going to teleport to the badge maps. Actually, don't remember. Hello? Why can I not teleport? Oh, I think it's camera base. Sorry. Camera base. And you're just going to walk over here. Whoa. Hopefully I can jump later. Cause, oh my gosh, this is so fast. How am I meant to do this? You need to kind of jump this to here. Okay, I did it. I can't believe I actually did that. And you're going to walk here and here. And you're going to just go in, I guess. There should be another badge. I'm not sure why I'm not getting it. There should be like a black fog. Maybe they reworked on it, but and then you'll get it later. It's still being reworked and stuff, so yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Oh, I think you're meant to go to the other side-ish. Whoops, I'm stuck now. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.